Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Auto Insurance review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you've been seeing ads for auto insurance all over your feed and are wondering if it's a smart way to lower your bills, well, there is one massive detail you need to know right off the bat. Now, Auto is not an insurance company. Instead, they operate as an insurance lead generator and referral engine. Now, think of it like a matchmaking service. Now, you plug in your vehicle or home info, and their platform attempts to pair you up with major national carriers like Progressive or Nationwide to see who can give you the better rate. Now, it is completely free to use if you try visiting their website. Just take a couple of minutes here and covers auto, home, pet, and life insurance. Now, if you've been stuck on autopilot here with your current insurance provider for years, so using a tool like this can generally help you uncover some solid savings. Now, however, there is a very steep trade-off there that catches a lot of people off guard. Now, because Auto makes its money by selling your information as a sales lead to third-party brokers, the exact second you hit submit here, your phone number is likely going to blow up. Now, people are consistently reporting getting hit with an immediate overwhelming storm of robocalls, texts, and emails from dozens of aggressive agents, competing for your business, sometimes over 15 calls within the first hour alone. Now, on top of that, Auto really displays actual live codes on their own dashboard. Instead, they just redirect you to external partner sites where you often have to re-enter your details all over again. Now, ultimately here, if you are actively shopping for a new rate and don't mind waddling through a heavy weight of telemarketing spam to find a discount, Auto is a legitimate tool here to kickstart your search. But if you value your privacy and want to browse rates peacefully, well, you are probably much better off using a cleaner comparison site like the Zebra, or just checking quotes directly with the carriers yourself. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.